This is the sound of failure. To find the most reliable jump starter for 2026, we didn't just read specs. We created a battery graveyard. 100 dead batteries. From frozen truck batteries to completely drained hybrid cells. We charged, we froze, we dropped, and we demanded power when it mattered most. Most units failed. A few surprised us. And one jump starter started an engine so dead, we thought it was scrap metal. This is the truth about power in your pocket. Number 1. NOCO Boost Max GB250. One of the most powerful lithium jump starters available on the market today, this extraordinary device can deliver an impressive output of up to 5,250 amps. It is specifically engineered to start both gas and diesel engines with displacements reaching up to 16 liters, making it an ideal solution for commercial and industrial applications where reliable engine starts are crucial. The ultra-safe technology feature sets this jump starter apart from the competition. It incorporates patented designs that provide spark-proof connections as well as reverse polarity protection, ensuring that users have a safe and mistake-free experience when connecting to any 12V battery. This reliability has earned the trust of professionals across the globe, making it a go-to option for those who demand consistent performance. Designed for commercial-grade power, this jump starter can handle nearly any engine type. Number 2. NOCO Boost+Air AX65. A powerful all-in-one automotive tool, this versatile device serves as a jump starter, tire inflator, power bank, and LED flashlight, perfectly designed to provide total independence on the roadside. With an impressive output of 2000 amps, it not only ensures rapid tire inflation but also includes USB-C charging capabilities for your devices and powerful lighting to assist you during emergencies, making it an essential companion for any driver. When your vehicle struggles with a dead battery, this device comes to the rescue by enabling you to jumpstart the battery safely in mere seconds. It is equipped with a robust 2000A lithium jump starter, specifically engineered to handle gas engines up to 8.0 liters and diesel engines up to 6.0 liters. You can expect multiple jump starts from a single charge, ensuring you always have the energy you require when you find yourself in a tight spot. Number 3. NOCO Boost GB150 3000A. Instantly jumpstart dead batteries with an impressive output of 3000 amps of peak lithium power. This robust performance allows for up to 80 starts on a single charge, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including engines up to 9.0L gas and 7.0L diesel. The device features ultra-safe technology, which has been purposely engineered with patented spark-proof and reverse polarity protection. This means that users can make connections to any 12V vehicle with complete confidence. There will be no sparks or opportunities for incorrect connections, thereby enhancing safety. As a portable power bank, this device is more than just a jump starter. It comes equipped with an integrated power bank that can provide emergency power to various devices like smartphones and tablets. With a recharge time of just 7 hours, it ensures that you're prepared and ready to go when you need it the most. The product is also fitted with an integrated LED flashlight, which features a precision-engineered 500 lumen output. Number 4. DeWalt DXA14 Digital Portable. The 1600 peak amp jump starter is designed to provide powerful assistance in starting vehicles with engines up to V8 size. It delivers a robust surge of power to ensure that even the most demanding vehicles can start with ease. In addition to its jump-starting capabilities, this unit features a 120 psi digital air compressor that includes an auto-stop function, which automatically stops the compressor when the desired pressure is reached, preventing overinflation. The compressor also comes with a sure-fit nozzle, making it compatible with various inflatables. For mobile device charging, the jump starter is equipped with 2 USB ports, a USB-A port that delivers 15W and a USB-C port that provides a faster 25W charging capability. Number 5. Clore Automotive Jump and Carry. Need powerful, multi-volt jump-starting capabilities in a compact and portable unit? Look no further than the JNC1224 model by Jump and Carry. This innovative jump starter allows for an easy and convenient switch between voltage settings, making it versatile enough to tackle a variety of battery types and situations. In 12-volt mode, it delivers an impressive 3400 peak amps of starting power, ensuring that even the most stubborn vehicles can be jump-started with ease. When switched to 24-volt mode, users can still rely on a robust 1700 peak amps of starting power, making this device suitable for trucks, heavy machinery, and more. In addition to its powerful performance, the JNC1224 is designed for convenience. One of its standout features is the built-in automatic charger, which can provide up to 24 hours a day and 365 days a year of continuous charging. Don't let a dead battery write your story. To get your hands on any of these life-saving, proven units, every direct link for the best prices is packed in the description below. If this brutal, real-world test gives you peace of mind for your next road trip, please hit that like button, it fuels our independent testing. Share this with every driver you care about. And subscribe, because next week, we're testing the emergency tool that can break your car's window and cut a seatbelt in 10 seconds. Be prepared.